Canine Training of Richmond, and this is Rocco. He is an 8-month-old German Shepherd puppy new to our 2-week board and train program. He is very sweet, very attentive, very loyal. He loves attention, just doesn't really know when to draw the line without attention seeking, and we're just going to be working on breaking some bad puppy habits to make him grow into a big, strong, obedient adult. And Dad wants to be able to take him a lot of places, so we're going to be working on his people skills, dog skills, his healing, stuff like that. So really just basic obedience. I'm going to run him through a few commands and see what we got with starting out. Rocco! Rocco, come! That's a good boy. Rocco, sit. Good sit. That's a good sit. Oh, okay. Rocco, sit. Down. Down. Okay. Rocco, heel. Heel. He's a strong little guy. Okay. Rocco, place. Almost. Alright, so we got a little bit of work to do. We got some brushing up to do on the skills we do know, as well as picking up some new skills. I'm sure he will do great. Check back in 2 weeks and see how he's doing.